Hey everyone. Okay, so I wanted to do just a little video, a love affair video, because I'm that kind of person. I'm a kind person, very kind. So you all know, who've followed me for any length of time, that in my mind I'm having some kind of gorgeous romantic affair with Dr. Sam Bunting. Now she's just released a new product. Here it is. So I had to review it because I love her. So this is the Flawless Vitamin C NAD Plus Serum. You all know that I've never been able to use a vitamin C long term because they're just irritating to me. I find them very, very, very difficult to use. Sometimes they start out okay and then they just end up the same way, which is issues with breakouts and just blackheads, and my skin doesn't like them. Now, I'm lucky enough that I've been using this now for over 2 weeks, so I can talk about it. Now, this is a daytime skincare product before your sunscreen. So I'm going to take a pump of this deliciousness. Hello, there it is. Don't be rude. It's a camera. And I'm just going to pop this on my face and then I'm going to blend it in. So we're 2 weeks in. What alchemy has transpired? So the first bit of alchemy is that I received no breakouts, no blackheads forming, thank you very much, because I was sick of them. Nothing. That is a miracle for me, really is. Now, the words nourished and vitamin C don't tend to go hand in hand, but this is a very nourishing cream, to say the least. Your skin feels incredibly hydrated after using this. It absorbs quickly as well, which is a wonderful thing. But there is a brightness. Now, anybody that's used vitamin C for a long time will go, oh, your skin's so bright. Well, I wouldn't know because I've never been able to use it long term. We're only two and a bit weeks in. I will be using this long term. There is brightness benefits to this. Brightness. Hello, lover. You treat me so well. Mwah. Delicious. Now, because it is daytime. I mean, it's the UK here. I've not got the backlight on. See that there's almost a glimmer of sun there. I only use sunscreen now. So Dr. Sam Bunting, because it'd be rude not to. I don't want to be rude. So we're going to pop on the sunscreen. Don't you just love applying gollops and gollops of sunscreen? I know I do. It's my favourite part of every single morning. So we'll apply this all over the face. I'll do the neck separately. Don't forget the ears. And we'll rub it in. I mean, the only good thing about sunscreen, I mean, there's plenty, I'm sure, but you do feel like you've done something to your face. You know, you actually feel like one of the most, if not the most important steps has been completed. And honestly, I've completed it. Can we all just take a minute to appreciate the greyness of my beard? There's a lot of grey in the beard, and I'm pretty much, I'd say nearly 50% of all the hair on the sides is now grey. I'm old, you know, but you wouldn't know it because I've been taking care of my skin with sunscreen. All right. I know it's a bit of a silly video, but honestly, to be able to find a product that hasn't caused me irritation, that has 15% vitamin C in, it is a miracle, people. It is a miracle, because this isn't something that happens to me on a daily basis. It really isn't. Should I put something on my skin so I don't look just, you know, plain? Let's pop on a little drop of foundation. Just a tiny drop, you know, a wee little drop. And we'll just blend this in with the world's smallest sponge. It just, you know, skin looks better, even great skin looks better when there's just a fraction of gorgeousness on the skin. I haven't spoken to Dr. Sam in a bit, actually. I need to give her a call, remind her that I love her. I'm sure she'd appreciate that. To finish off, we'll add in some bright red blusher, because my skin just isn't happy unless I look like I've spent the day being attacked in the sun then we'll blend that in with that little tiny gorgeous thing, whatever it is. It's in the shape of a little heart. How lovely is that? You know, some people say to me, they say, Wayne, you've applied way too much blusher. And do you know what I say to them? I say, hush your dirty mouth. That is a lie. You see, blended out well. Who knew I put that much on? There we go. You know, there's a whole host of beneficial ingredients in that product. Most of them I don't know what they do or what they mean, but I've said it a million times. I don't really know how a car works, but I can still get in it and move about. So I'm fine with that. It's got Dr. Sam's name on. That's all I really care about. She makes great products. I'll continue to buy them. I'll continue to use them, and I'll continue to love her from afar. That's it. I'll leave all the links. It's really, really good. If you struggle with vitamin C, you'll love it because you'll be able to use it. And that really is half the battle. Thanks for watching, my lovely friends. Where's my glasses? And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.